Hi, my name is Sandra Faustina. I'm also the founder of Free Movement Solutions. Welcome to our studio. So today I'm going to teach you a very quick tutorial on how to actually do proper jazz snaps. Now, snaps are not going to be the normal snaps that you usually do. So jazz snaps are something that you have to remember to break your wrist for. So for instance, if you're going to do a jazz snap, you're not going to do snap and snap and snap and snap. You're going to do in, break, and a break, and a break, and a break as you do the snaps, okay? So do that again. Now you have to always remember that it is really important to break your wrist and not just maintain a straight and open, close your elbow. So elbow remain bent, and you're gonna go snap, and a snap, and a snap, and a snap, okay? Snap, and a snap, and a snap, and a snap. So let's do it from further away so you can see how it actually looks like from far. Round one. The right one. Snap, and snap, and snap, and snap, snap, and snap, and snap with the bounce. Go and so I hope you found that useful. So jazz snaps for you wherever you go around the world. Now you know what jazz snaps are, and always remember to break your wrist. So now that you know how to break your wrist, we're also going to talk about the snapping. Okay, so if there's no sound coming out from your snaps, it's okay. Sometimes it is practice as well, and you just need to just keep doing it. Alright, like one hand is actually louder than my other hand. Okay, so it's okay if one is softer than the other. Alright, so just try to practice it. But the next thing you need to know when doing your snaps is to always make sure that as much as you can, use your middle finger. Okay, and then when after you snap, always remember to close back your hand. So don't leave your hand open after you snap. Okay, so not like that, but you want to make sure you go close and a close and a close and a close, close and a close and a close and a close, close. So you see how I always bring my fingers back in, so I don't leave it open. So close and a close and a close and a close. So keep it back in, so don't leave your fingers out there hanging out like that. Okay, so remember, first thing you need to do is to remember your hand needs to come in this way. So kind of like someone talking to you. So you kind of go like, ooh, hi. And as you are breaking your wrist, elbow, okay, lock your elbow so your elbow does not move. So lock your elbow here. So all you need to do is this motion, alright? So this is the motion you want to do. So you see, I'm not moving my elbow. This is staying. This is the one, the wrist is the one that actually moves forward and back, okay? So essentially, you want to do a snap and an in, and a snap and an in, snap and an in, and a snap and an in. Alright? So same thing. Once you have that person talking to you in that way, alright, you're going to go snap, and as you snap, you're going to close your fingers and go to your maximum flex. Alright, so in and snap, in and snap. Okay, so when you're doing it further away, you won't see this motion. You should see a very obvious breaking of wrist. Alright, doesn't matter how loud it is now, but you can practice at home in the mirror. It took me a long time to get used to this. So when you do all the shoulder rolls, da, 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 you get used to it as well, okay? So just practice your snaps. You can do one hand at a time. You can do it in different diagonals, both on the same side. And squeeze and a roll and snap and a snap. You see how I always end with the break? Snap. Talk back to you, 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 snap. And a snap and a snap and a snap. snap and snap and snap and snap. Okay, so let's try that from further away. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found it useful, don't forget to like and subscribe down below. And if you have any questions at all, feel free to drop it down in the comments, and we'll definitely reply you. And I just want to let you know that over here at Free Movement, we're always here to support you in your dance and fitness journey. So let us know if you need help in any way, and we'll reach you anytime and any place on any social media platform. Check out our classes on our website, so that's freemovementsg.com. Hopefully you'll see you there, but if not, our online courses will be up for you. See you very soon. Take care, stay safe, and keep dancing. So I hope you found that useful. So jazz snaps for you wherever you go around the world. Now you know what jazz snaps are, and always remember to break your wrist. See you again next time.